Okay, we're in an old house here in Adams, Massachusetts, and I want to show you something that we see often in older homes, and you may even have in your home if you own an old home that's 70, 80, 100 years old. We're in a walk-up attic, and you can see we have insulation on the ceiling of the roof or under the roof sheathing. It's missing in a lot of places, and you'll notice that we're seeing mold growth on the OSB sheathing, which is much newer to the house, probably put on with the last roof several years ago, and then mold growth on the skip sheathing as well. So when you insulate, this is for all intents and purposes, this is a conditioned attic because there is no insulation under the floor. We have gaps where we can see there's no insulation. So the envelope of the house that's supposed to stay warm with the boiler and the heating system is this attic. It should also be insulated. So a couple of things. We're missing insulation, so we're definitely having a big issue as far as energy conservation and losing heat in this house. But the other thing is because they insulated the roof, there's no ridge vent and there's no soffit vents. So when that happens, we are having stagnant air behind all this insulation. So we most likely have mold everywhere. So you really need to pick a road when you do insulation. Either insulate directly above the conditioned area, or if you're going to insulate the ceiling, you have to have ridge vent and soffit vent and proper airflow to avoid overheating the roof and avoid the mold and the moisture that gets trapped there. So again, something we see in old houses all the time, and to really fix this, you got to remove all this insulation, either change the ventilation of the house or change the insulation plan.